Good morning, respected sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am going to deliver a speech about my India. My country, India, the world's biggest encyclopedia. It is the youngest country. It is ideal of pleasantry. It is famous for unity because there is a lot of diversity. The word makes Indian culture, brotherhood is its future. Out of all the countries throughout the world, I consider myself lucky enough to be born in this wonderful multicultural country, India. It is also the world's biggest secular republic, which gives me a chance to interact with the people from so many different ethnicities and cultures firsthand. It is a very big country with varying demographic futures too, ranging from the mighty Himalayas in the north to the vast Indian Ocean in the south. It is very rich in wildlife too, and thus a very large amount of flora and fauna. India is also famous for its variety of foods and spices too. There are 20 states and 9 union territories and a number of rivers. India is also the biggest demography in the world. Being a secular country, there are a lot of festivals celebrated throughout the year, like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Ramjan, Guru Pava, to name a few. The capital of the country is Delhi, which is located in the heart of the nation. It is also home to some very famous historical monuments like the Red Fort and the Qutub Minar. Nearby Delhi is Agra, which also is the incredible Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. India is also the birthplace of some very prominent figures, such as Mahatma Gandhi, who is the highest flag bearer of non-violence throughout the world. The country has also been blessed with distinct architecture and historical mathematician too. Ramanujan and Aryabhatta are recognized throughout for continued fraction and the discovery of zero respectively. I would like to conclude by saying that no matter how much I praise my country achievement, it would always be less. Our country is our motherland. We should always be grateful for whatever we have got from our country. We should participate and put positive effort in the growth and development of our nation. Living in this country, I feel privileged and proud to be a part of this cultural diversity. I love my country. I hope to contribute to its progress once I grow up. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.